Hi, my name is Darrell Barnes, and I want to talk to you, educator, about how you can transition online via YouTube. Several years back, Sal Khan of khanacademy.org inspired me. I was showing biology tutorial videos of Mr. Khan to my classes, and the longer I showed these videos, the more I realized that he was adding in screen corrections, one after the other, and then finally the video would disappear, and then there would be a new video. And I thought to myself, I can do that. I can put a video out, make corrections, and then if it's bad enough, I can start over. So Sal Khan was the person that inspired me, and I want you to be inspired to go onto YouTube, especially during this COVID time of 2020. After 5 years of YouTubing, I have 4 channels. My main channel is Darrell Barnes Science and Nature channel. In this brief discussion monologue, I want to talk about why you should be on YouTube, how to do it, and what to expect. When I think about the why, I think of Malcolm Gladwell's book, Tipping Points, and I think about mavens and connectors and salesmen. When I think about mavens, particularly, I think about you educators because you are experts in your discipline. When I think about connectors, I think about you connecting with families of your students. Salesmen, some of you are, some of you aren't, but that doesn't matter because you nail the other two. In my mind, only you will do in making some informational videos and tutorials. And even though there are many publishers, only you and your voice will suffice. Many times. How do you do this? How do you convert to YouTube? Well, if you have a Google account, you have access to a YouTube channel. Go to account settings and name your channel there. You need a tripod and a cell phone adapter so that it will be easy for you to be filmed. You will not have to recruit someone else to help you in your filming. This has helped me quite a lot. Remember that you can publish from your phone directly and there's no cost to you. That's the beauty of YouTube. Remember to make different channels. Make one your professional channel, make one a family channel, and so forth. Do not film students. Talk with your publicity director in your school and ask them if you need to film students, what has to happen to make this legal. Tim Schmoyer in Video Creators reminded me to make backups of all of my videos so that if I need to resubmit, it will be easy to do that. Also, do not film logos, do not film copyrightable material. Here is the temptation, the dark side. So I'm going to pull you away from the dark side before you start heading there, educators. Pat Flynn of Superfans fame in his same named book said, do not spam people with emails attempting to get them to watch your video. Remember, you're an educator. This will happen slowly and steadily. What should you expect? I just said slow and steady is probably the route that this will unfold for you as an educator. Some people explode. That happens. But Sean Cannell, in his book, YouTube Secrets, reminded me that a person can only earn about $2 per 1,000 views in Google AdSense. That means to make $2,000 a month, you would have to have millions of views every month. And I'm going to be honest with you, after 5 years of YouTube video production myself, I only have a half of a million views. That's over the entire time. Needless to say, I have not made money on YouTube, but that's okay because that's not the goal as an educator. The educator is to connect with your students and to be the maven, to transmit your knowledge. in a loving manner to these students and their families. YouTubing has helped me to transition from the traditional classroom to YouTube over this COVID-19 time. I've been able to make quizzes, tutorials. I have also used a blog to help me organize some of my content. YouTubing has also helped me with connections, and it will help you in the same way. A while back, a filmer from Mississippi Public Broadcasting noticed a video, a tutorial video that I made on digging up fossils, and we filmed on site in Frankstown, Mississippi, and that went onto an episode of Mississippi Roads, episode 1802, called Digging It Up. Check that out. It's pretty cool, and that came directly from my Educator YouTube channel. So here's what I want to say to you. You can do this. Publish directly from your phone to begin with. If you're a mature individual like myself, take a computer concepts course at your school. This is where I was introduced by my teacher to a magnificent screen capture tool. I also have some links below this video. I have made several videos for new creators that would be helpful in the beginning. Check those out. Remember, Educator, you can transition to online via YouTube. You are the maven and the connector, and remember, at times only you will suffice because you're the only cutest one. That's why. Be patient and let your YouTubing develop, but get started.